Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your quiz night host business. Suppose as a quiz night host, I use WhatsApp chatbot to let participants register, send quiz rules and quiz themes. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When users send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen.
In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your quiz night host business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. Simply, we will open our WhatsApp dashboard and type, "Can I participate?" After typing, you will see I am getting a response. Hi there, welcome to Quizmaster Nights, where your venue becomes the life of the Triva party. Now we have two options: book a quiz night, quiz themes. Simply click on quiz themes. After clicking, you will see I am getting a response. Here are our quiz themes. Now simply click on book a quiz night. After clicking, you will see I am getting a response. Please share your full name. Now I am typing my name, test user. After typing my name, I am getting another response. Please share team name. Now I am typing my team name, demo. After typing team name, I am getting another response. Details, full name, team name. Now we have a confirm button. Simply click on it. After clicking confirm button, we are getting another response. Thanks for playing with Quizmaster Nights. Whether you win or learn, it's always a good night with Triva. Now we have a quiz rules and prize option. Simply click on it. After clicking, you will see I am getting our last message, quiz rule and prize. So you will see I am getting a responses. Now go back to our chat flow section. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we have an interface of 7 Pabbly applications. Now simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options: WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and select the folder and simply click on next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side inbox section. In this section we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have AI assistant. We use AI Assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now simply click on flows. Now we have a flow builder page. In this we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we are going to create our new chat flow. So simply click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we will rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your quiz night host business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. These format help us to trigger the chatbot. When user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. We can also trigger our chatbot with the help of keywords and template. Now we take media button and simply upload the media, which I already downloaded. And in this we also add message box, text plus button. Now we simply add action button, book a quiz night, quiz themes, and simply connect the flow. Now we take text button and write a message on it. When user press quick themes button, then we will send over this message. Now we take question box. In this box, we ask a name from user. And you will see I am using asterisk sign. Asterisk sign is used to bold the text. Now we select contact custom field, full name. Also select format, that is text format. When user press book a quiz night button, then we will send over this message and save the flow. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now, if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our chat flow section. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a team name from user and select the contact custom field, team name. Also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect this question box to this box. Now we take another text button and write a message on it, details, and in this we also add confirm button and simply connect this question box to this message box, and you will see I am using a dollar sign. Why we use dollar sign? Dollar sign is used to customize and replace the data. Now we take another text button and write a message on it and simply connect this confirm button to this message box, and in this we also add action button, quiz rules and price. Now we take another text button and write our last message on it and simply connect this quiz rules and price button to this message box and save the flow. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to increase your chatbot according to your needs, you can easily do. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and type hello. And you will see I am getting a response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any queries, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.